Hey guys, today I'm going to show you how to go from this to this with deep conditioning. First, let's talk about how you'll know when to deep condition. So if your hair is feeling super dry and you're having no curl definition or lack of curl definition, it is time to deep condition. So the first thing you're going to want to do is shampoo, and this is my current favorite. It's super important to shampoo because you want to really clear the way for your deep conditioner to really penetrate your hair. And I'm going to be using the Shea Moisture Castor Oil Deep Conditioning Mask. This is also one of my all-time favorites. It's super duper thick. It's really important to use a deep conditioner instead of just leaving your regular conditioner in for a longer amount of time, because deep conditioners contain ingredients that really penetrate into the hair to give it what it needs. So here I'm just applying it to the length of my hair and then squishing it in. And then I like to split my hair onto either side and apply some more. I really make sure to take the time to work it in the length of my hair. Then I'm going to detangle. I'm using the Tangle Teaser brush here. In my last video, I actually compared a bunch of the most popular curly hair detangling brushes right now. So check that out if you want to know which detangling brush is best for your hair. So this will also make sure that the deep conditioner is evenly distributed throughout all of my hair. You also might notice that I never apply the deep conditioner straight to my roots, and that's because I typically have pretty oily hair, and also I find when I add any product at all to my roots, it just weighs it down and I have absolutely no volume. So then once I'm done detangling, I like to twist my hair, and what I'm looking for is the conditioner on the top of my hair. So if I don't see that conditioner kind of coming up to the surface, I'll apply some more, twist my hair again, and there you can see that conditioner. This just tells me that I have enough conditioner in my hair. Then I'm going to repeat those same steps on the other side. Then I'm going to clip my hair up. And another key to help the deep conditioner really do its job is heat. So I like to add a shower cap. And because I am too frugal to buy a heat cap, I just add a beanie on top to really keep that heat on my head. So I have left my deep conditioner in for about 30 minutes, and I'm going to rinse with cold water. So as for the amount of time you should leave your deep conditioner in, I recommend starting with following the directions on your deep conditioner itself. So that will probably range anywhere from 5 minutes to about an hour, and then adjust from there. So then, style as usual, I'm using the Soigne Flaxseed Gel. And here are my finished results. So much shinier, softer, and more defined. So thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you again soon.